So pulmonology is a branch of medicine which basically deals with diseases of the lung. We all know that. And pulmonologists have come a long way from treating just tuberculosis, asthma, COPD, etc. to being interventional pulmonologists. What does that mean? It means that there are diseases of the airways, diseases of the lungs, diseases of the lung lining or the pleura, which were earlier dealt by surgeons, can now be dealt by pulmonologists. For example, it started with bronchoscopy, which is looking inside the lungs with a camera, which was initially used only for diagnostic purposes, but now more and more uses being not only for diagnostic purposes, but also for being therapeutic treatment. For example, in advanced lung cancers, when a patient is having bleeding, to try and stop the bleeding, try and reduce the size of the tumor where the patient can't have surgery, putting in stents so that the patient can have a more meaningful life with lung cancer. If there are lesions in the area called the mediastinum, which was previously accessed only by surgeons, endobronchial ultrasounds, which is a good development in the field of bronchoscopy, can be used to identify lesions, take samples from there. Similarly, thoracoscopy, which used to be a surgeon's domain, which is looking into the lung lining where fluid would accumulate. By using a thoracoscope, not only diagnostic pleural aspiration can be done, but also therapeutically it can be stopped from coming back, and the reason can be known much, much better, enabling treatment to be better. So the horizon of pulmonology is very wide, and it is now available in our hospital to the best that can be in any major world hospital. And I think it's a very exciting career, it's a very exciting prospect for new medical students to think about, to specialize, and also for patients to be enabled. We try our best to see that our patients get the best out of treatment as much as possible.